Hey guys, what is up? Mr. AppleTouch31 here, and in today's video I have an unboxing of the wireless Apple keyboard. Before I start the unboxing, here are some other accessories that I got with my MacBook. You can go to my channel to watch these videos if you want. There's a 15-inch MacBook Pro unboxing, an Apple remote unboxing, a Magic Mouse unboxing, and a multi-touch Magic Trackpad unboxing. But here we have the wireless keyboard, and we'll go ahead and just start opening it right away. I have already opened this. There's the front of it. Side, it's got some information. Apple logo, wireless keyboard, and then the Apple logo again. So when you first open it up, you are greeted with the keyboard right away, as you can see. And now we'll go ahead and take that out if we can. So here we've got the keyboard. Very tiny compared to other keyboards. Back of it we've got the Apple logo and some more information, and it's just a nice keyboard. You got your on button right here, and then you can replace the batteries on this side. You've got information right here about the keyboard, and then we've got the Bluetooth, how to activate the Bluetooth, and then we've got your limited 1-year warranty, and then we've got Spanish right there. So that's what comes in the wireless keyboard for Apple. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching. If you haven't seen all my other unboxing videos, please go watching, and please go watch them, and please thumbs up this video and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching, and bye.